Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to recover or restore or read or see your all deleted Facebook Messenger messages or chats when you accidentally delete or lost your Messenger messages. In this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted Facebook Messenger messages or chats. So let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. In this way you can see my all Facebook Messenger messages. So first of all I can delete some Messenger messages. In this time I can delete some Facebook Messenger messages or chats, but in this time I can easily recover or restore all deleted Facebook Messenger messages. So let's see. Minimize it and go to your Google Play Store. After that, in this here write and search Invis restore deleted messages. After that, install this app. After install this app and then open it. After that, choose enable. Turn on Invis. Choose allow. Go back. After that, choose select apps. You can see already choose and select some apps and also select and choose Messenger app. So in this way, we can easily recover or restore or retrieve or read or see deleted Facebook Messenger messages or chats. So let's see. After that, go back. Choose grant permission. Allow. Choose enter. After that, open it. In this here I can see my delete or lost Facebook Messenger messages or chats, recover or restore in this here. After that, open any conversation. You can see me and my friends all Facebook Messenger messages, recover or restore in this here. And in this way you can easily recover or restore or read or see your all deleted Facebook Messenger messages or chats. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.